Good morning all. Today discuss about some properties of a petroleum products and its measurements, some for taste. Previous lecture में આપણે ફ્લેશ પોઈન્ટ ફાયર પોઈન્ટ ઓક્ટેન નંબર એપીઆઈ ગ્રેવિટી અને કોરિલેશન ઇન્ડેક્સ જોઈ ગયા હતા. તો નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું આપણે સ્મોક પોઈન્ટ ફોર પેટ્રોલ ડીઝલ અને કેરોસીન સમ ટેસ્ટિંગ છે અને સમ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ વન smoke point. So what is a smoke point? The smoke point is an indication of clean burning quality of kerosene. Smoke point is an indication of clean burning quality of kerosene, and the illuminations depends upon the flame dimensions, although it is not related to the flame height. Okay, simply a smoke point indications of the clean burning quality. શું કીધું છે? ક્લીન બર્નિંગ ક્વોલિટી. The illuminations depend upon these flame dimensions, although okay, flame dimensions પર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે એ કેટલી સળગે છે જ્યોતિની હાઇટ. Okay, then it is not related to the flame height. Then many paraffin may be gifted with better flame height, but illuminations may be gifted with a better flame height. Illuminations may be poor. Okay, the paraffin simply carbon chain may be gifted a significance the height, but illuminations may be gifted with better flame height. Illuminations may be poor. Smoke point is defined as the minimum height of a flame in a millimeters at which the given oil will burn without giving smoke, and a different flame height are obtained due to the presence of different compounds such as paraffin, naphthalene and aromatics. Okay, the aniline point is the diesel fuel are mainly composed of a paraffin. These are no bar aromatics. For aniline point is defined the minimum temperature at which equal volume of anhydrous aniline and oil mixed together. Okay, diesel index is the derivative of aniline point is defined these equations for a 0.18 API aniline point plus 0.32 API. This is the importance. Aniline being on aromatic compound freely mixtures. For the low aniline point indicates a low diesel percentage of aromatics. Okay, this is the important point. Where for repeated in a smoke point, the smoke point is a indications of clean burning quality of kerosene, and the illumination depend upon the flame and the dimensions, although but it is not related to the flame height. The many paraffin may be gifted with better flame height, but illuminations may be gifted with better flame. The height illuminations may be poor. Smoke point is defined as the maximum height of flame in a millimeters given any burn without smoke. A different flame height are obtained due to the presence of different compounds such as the paraffin, naphthalene and aromatic compound. For diesel fuel are mainly composed of the paraffin, all those in the no bar of for aromatic. Simply defined for this aniline point, minimum temperature at which equal volume of anhydrous aniline and oil mixed together. Okay, and the diesel index, a derivative of aniline point, is defined as the 0.18 aniline point plus 0.32 API gravity. Okay, aniline begin the an aromatic compound freely mixtures with aromatic, so as low aniline point indicates low diesel index because of the high percentage of the aromatic. Okay, this is the some test. Then pour point. Now, what is a pour point? The criteria of pour point fixations depend upon this factor, namely the climatic conditions and also storage. Climatic conditions, storage and handling. The fuel at a minimum ambient temperature must be free flowing. Okay, and simply the criteria of pour point fixations depend upon the factors, namely the climatic conditions, storage and handling. Fuel at minimum ambient temperature must be free flowing. And India pour point is fixed at 5 degrees Celsius. In the Himalayan belt is the climatic persist at a sub-zero level. This may be the not satisfactory handle low pour point oil and essential. The diesel index is the three types: medium, high speed and low speed. In the front range આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં જોઈશું પ્રોપર્ટીઝમાં. The diesel index is the measure of ignition quality of the fuel. The diesel engine works on the principle of the compression ignitions. Simply word પરથી જ ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે diesel index is a measure of the ignition of the fuel, and the diesel engine work on the principle of the compression ignitions. And during the compressions adiabatically the air temperature reaches around 600 degrees Celsius, and there is a temperature at which this explosion take place without the aid of the freeze fire is called a self ignition temperature, and the range is 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. 40 to 45. Okay, diesel index. And the Stetton number. The Stetton number depends on the percentage volume, and the Stetton number is the Coriolis diesel index. Isana par છે is this point. It is defined as the percentage volume of N-cetane in a mixture of N-cetane and alpha methyl naphthalene. Is the alpha methyl naphthalene, which gives the same ignition delay as the fuel under considerations when they tested in a CFR engine. Okay, this is all about the Stetton number for a diesel index. Diesel index is the measure of the ignition fuel of the qualities. The diesel engine works on this principle of the compression ignitions. During the compression adiabatically the air temperature reaches around 600 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which these explosions take place without the aid of fire is called self ignition temperature. Range is 40 to 45. Then Stetton number is Stetton number is defined as the percentage of volume N-cetane in a mixture of N-cetane and alpha methyl naphthalene, which gives the same ignition delay as the fuel under considerations when tested in a CFR engine in also the cooperative fuels. Then the viscosity index, the lubricants are this specified by another. જે આપણે લ્યુબ ઓઇલ છે ને, લ્યુબ ઓઇલની પ્રોપર્ટીઝમાં શું આવશે? વિસ્કોસિટી ઇન્ડેક્સ. Okay, the lubricant is derived, namely is the viscosity index, for which is indicate the variations characteristics, the viscosity with the temperature, and in and the day is for the scientist following the formula. The viscosity index is equal to L minus U by L minus H multiplied 100. So what is the L? Where equation याद रखो, VI viscosity index is equal to L minus U by L minus H into 100. Then what is the L? The viscosity of a reference oil of 0 viscosity in a degree at the viscosity H is equal to the viscosity of a reference oil of number viscosity index at a 37.8 degrees Celsius, and U is equal to the viscosity of test sample at 37.8 degrees Celsius. Okay, what is the LHU? These are all the notifications for a VI. The viscosity of a reference oil of 0 viscosity in a degree at the H is equal to the viscosity of a reference oil of a 100 viscosity index at 37.8 degrees Celsius, and U is equal to the viscosity of test sample at 37.8. This is a graphical system which versus graph the viscosity versus the temperature for this LH and LUH for VI, and this all about the graphical system for a viscosity index. Then the VI graphically explanation 37.8 degrees Celsius is a overall is a 100 degree VI. Then the kinematic viscosity. One case of kinematic viscosity is the viscosity, absolute viscosity upon specific gravity. In case of kinematic viscosity. The softening point is a lube oil testing. The bitumen being amorphous does not melt by sharply. The softening point is to find out the ball ring test, and the bitumen is the fast method and carried out into the disc of a 2 number of the standard ring. In a case of simply the bitumen being amorphous does not melt by sharply. The stopping point is to find out the ball ring test, and then bitumen is the fixed first method are carried out into the disc. The 2 number of is a standard ring, and the temperature at which the sample detach the die falls completely छूटो पड़ से indicates the softening point for the 2 samples of this. Such ring are the supported fall ring within the difference of the 5 second only. जे फर्स्ट प्लेट पर 5 सेकंड में छूटू पड़ से ये विथिन 5 to 10 सेकंड सेकंड प्लेट पर छूटू पड़ से. The higher of the softening point is better than these conditions. Okay, softening point is a ball ring test, 2 number of the standard ring, in a case simply detach of the die falls. This is the important line. And the only 5 second complete में छूटू पड़ से within the difference. आ बने difference से. And higher the softening point, the better is the consistency of bitumen or any grease material. And the last one, penetration index. The hardness of the penetration and quality of the bitumen is assessed by this test, and the standard needed for allow the percentage. The cloud point. In a case of hardness of the penetration quality, penetration ma. And the more paraffin the index naturally for surface applications where hardness of this sole criteria, and the petroleum industries could be refers to the temperature below which wax in the diesel or blowing in the biodiesels from the cloudy appearance. Case 1 है धुम्मस जो वातावरण सर्जाए ने केस हो આપણે. The pressures of this solid way clay of the filters and the injectors in engines block. Okay, DU અને VDU આપણે ઓલરેડી જોઈ ગયા છે. Atmospheric distillation unit. These are all the parameters for some test અને properties જોઈએ આપણે. જોઈ લઈએ એક વખત રિવિઝન પાર્ટ. કઈ કઈ વસ્તુ? ફ્લેશ પોઈન્ટ, ફાયર પોઈન્ટ, સ્મોક પોઈન્ટ, એનિલિન પોઈન્ટ. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટમાં આપણે એપીઆઈ જોઈ લીધું, કોરિલેશન ઇન્ડેક્સ એના એમાં ડિગ્રી એપીઆઈ કેવી હતું, ઇક્વેશન યાદ રાખવાનું છે. આમાં બે ઇક્વેશન્સ છે. ઓક્ટેન નંબરમાં પર્સન્ટેજ યાદ રાખવાના છે, આઈ ઓક્ટેનના એન હેક્ટરના. ફ્લેશ પોઈન્ટમાં 5 સેકન્ડ સુધી કમ્પ્લીટલી સળગે એને કહીશું ફાયર પોઈન્ટ. ફ્લેશ પોઈન્ટમાં સ્પાર્ક થશે, ફાયર પોઈન્ટમાં 5 સેકન્ડ સુધી કમ્પ્લીટલી સળગે એને કહીશું આપણે ફાયર પોઈન્ટ. સ્મોક પોઈન્ટમાં ઇગ્નિશન ક્વોલિટી જોવાની રહેશે એની. એન્ડ ધ એનિલિન પોઈન્ટ ઇક્વલ વોલ્યુમ ઓઇલ ટુ મિક્સ ટુગેધર. પોર પોઈન્ટ ક્લાઇમેટિક કન્ડિશન અને સ્ટોરેજ. ડીઝલ ઇન્ડેક્સ માટે જોઈશું મેઝર અને ઇગ્નિશન ક્વોલિટી ફ્યુલ. સિટેન નંબર ધ પર્સન્ટેજ વોલ્યુમ ઓફ એન સિટેન અને આલ્ફા મિડલ નેથલિન. The viscosity index में जो Vi is equal to L minus U by L minus H multiply 100. The where L is equal to viscosity of a reference oil of 0 and the viscosity in a degree at LHU કોને કહીશું જોયું આપણે. This is all definition part of this test. Okay, thank you so much. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે આગળ જોઈશું. લાસ્ટમાં જો સોફ્ટનિંગ પોઈન્ટ વિટામિન માટે છે, એ બોલ અને રિંગ ટાઈપની મેથડ છે. એના પછી પેનિટ્રેશન ઇન્ડેક્સ અને ક્લાઉડ પોઈન્ટ. ક્લાઉડ પોઈન્ટમાં ધુમ્મસ જેવું વાતાવરણ સર્જાશે. ઓકે, thank you so much.